In front of me is Oppo A95, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access additional settings. Now tap on one-handed mode and click on the gray switcher next to it to activate it. If you see this kind of pop-up, that means that you are using tricky navigation. You need to switch it to gestures in order to use this mode. To do it now, tap on Settings in the pop-up. Select Gestures next to Buttons. Click on Learn or Cancel in this pop-up over here. And tap on the top left corner when you're ready. Now tap on the same switcher again. Lastly, follow all of the instructions from your screen. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. To go back, you need to don't touch your screen for a couple of seconds. Click on this dark area at the top or simply swipe up. If you wish to turn off this mode completely, tap on the same now blue switcher. To go back to tricky navigation, click on the top left corner. Select System Navigation at the top and click on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!